And we are back. My name is NVidia and I have just built a new computer. This is it in its entirety. That was my laptop. Yeah, my room's changed quite a lot actually since you last saw. First of all, let's go over to the computer. That's the main thing. We have a 24-inch widescreen sort of monitor, full QWERTY keyboard with just a cheap Logitech mouse, wired. You know, that sort of cheap stuff right there. Nothing interesting, but the interesting stuff gets to here because this is the Antec 902 V3 case, and it's a really good case because you get all kinds of cool stuff with it. Have a look at here. I built it with computerplanet.co.uk. I have a gigabyte motherboard and an NVidia graphics card. Let's go over to the motherboard. Here it is. It is the Gigabyte Z68 AP-D3. It is a what is it? P67 motherboard, so okay for doing overclocking. And on the same note as overclocking, if we just go into my office, wait a minute, the power supply, that blue light there, is a Corsair GS700, and it's 700 watts, obviously, so that's really good. I have Sharkoon case lighting tubes, which are really, really nice. I do like them. They were, I think they're 12 centimeters or 12, no, they're 12 inches each, so I'm very happy with that. If we go up to the top here, we have a 200mm extractor fan and 240mm intake fans. These both have fan controllers. Don't know if you can hear that, but that's a lot louder now. These two both come with dust filters as well. I feel like a 3D game man now. Rob Reynolds or whatever he's called. Anyway, so we have three like sort of expansion drive bays at the top, and the rest just like 6 hard drive bays that can be removed, along with the fans that are in them as well. What else is there? Oh yeah, 200mm extractor fan. I mentioned it before. This one comes with an LED and also a little nozzle, which I can't find. Wait a minute, right. What I've done, okay, right, there's a switch at the back of it, right? And I've just turned up the what's it called, the fan controller. But if I do this, blue LED looks very nice, especially if I go and turn off my lights over here. See, it has like accents up here. Looks very Alienware-ish, I must admit. So that it looks very, very nice. Let me just turn this down here. I turned up the fan controller for the 200mm fan. There's also a fan controller for the 120mm extractor fan at the back as well. That is how about here actually? It gets very loud. Very nice fan. The CPU heatsink is the Arctic Freezer 13. Now, I'm having a bit of a debate as to which way it's mounted. It's mounted so that the fan points that way. Whether that's right or not, I don't know, because my friend, his was pointing the opposite way. But his, I don't know, his extractor fans are at the front. Okay, so it's kind of different for him. So there you go. What else to talk about? Oh yeah, with the on the board at the back there, very nice. And we've got the NVidia GeForce GTX 550 Ti. This one was superclocked, I think it was, by EVGA. So that's really good. It cost about 100 quid, that did. So I'm really satisfied with that. What else can I talk about? Oh yeah, the processor is the main thing. It is an i7-2600K. Now the 2600 part of that. The 2 is because it's second generation. The fact that it's an i7 means it has hyper-threading technology, and the K means it's unlocked, so I can use the P67 motherboard and I can overclock it to about 5 GHz, and I can do that with air cooling, but I can't leave it on overnight, and I need to leave this thing on overnight if I want to do things like overnight uploads, which I need to do, to be honest. But there you go. And that's just that. I like to turn up all the fans. See how loud it gets. It doesn't get hugely loud, which if anything is a plus, to be honest. Yeah, that's about as loud as it's going to get. The monitor, oh, what's the monitor? I don't know, what does that say? So like a Yama, like a Yama or something, I don't know. But anyway, that's the monitor. Very good. All in all, this setup did cost me about £500. So I'm very happy with it. Computer Planet, there was a difficulty apparently with PayPal, so they couldn't like. Originally, I wanted the NZXT Tempest Evo. That was the case I wanted at first. Mostly because it had a nice big square window without all this crap around the side, and also it had a lot of space, expansions, and all that stuff. USB 2 and USB 3 and all that cool stuff that you want. But that ended up being out of stock by the time I ordered it, so I got this one. It was the next best one that they had with similar specs to the Tempest Evo, minus the window, the thing. Because I like to have a big square window, but unfortunately that isn't the case with this. But I don't mind this. I mean, I can always change the window if I want to. You know, I can just like swap it out for some form of modded panel for the side. I might look into that actually. That's a good idea. But anyway, for now, everything's good, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you Monday. That's a line that I took from Family Guy, when Peter goes into his boss's house and organises a surprise cockfight, and then they kill each other. It's pretty cool, you know. I enjoy it. Family Guy, it's a very funny show. So with that, oh, also the power supply can change colour, so you can have blue, white, red, and black. Lol, black. But I like to have it like this. Oh no, there's something wrong, it's red. Okay. But there you go, thank you for watching, see you later.